Coping with garage door issues is rarely good. Your car could be trapped inside of your garage, or perhaps you cannot enter into your garage as the door is not going to open. For those who have a damaged garage door opener, or if there is an issue with your electronic settings, you could possibly struggle to fix these complaints on your own. That's why my company could be more than happy to appear to the location, know what the issues are, and correct your garage door within 24 hours we turn out. If you want for more information on our business, you can visit our website online. Simply go to the Ascend Garage Door Repair Marwa NJ website to find my contact info.